Alright, for my bluebelt application I'll also be decoding this numbered padlock. Currently it's to all zeros, and I need to press down and hold it like this. Switch up the numbers, then get the shackle back out again, up, lock it, and that should suffice. Yeah, the shackle on this one is a bit small, but usually you don't take very long with this, so it doesn't get too unwieldy. Don't get any feedback from the last one all of a sudden. That means I must have gotten something wrong before. Wait, let me put all straight, all to 0, and then we'll start over. Okay, definitely feedback there. And that's open. 902 was the combination.